What's going on YouTube? It's your boy McGriff back with another video. And today, y'all already know, it's been a minute, but we back, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I had a lot of stuff going on, like I've been saying in other videos, but I got the stuff in. Still waiting on one more thing. I end up ordering that, sent it back. I ain't reordered it yet. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight to it. I did have something come in, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. And I end up calling my guy, letting him come over and put everything together, because I am finna get an oil change and basically just go over everything and just make sure it's running back good. I think we do have to get another tune for the car, but I think that's just the learning program and stuff like that. But we finna go ahead and get to it. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Like I say, I did get it in. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up right quick and show y'all what it is. And we're gonna end up getting a little small little leak fixed. And I already got the seal. I'm gonna show y'all again what that is. Got that in the car, so I'll show y'all again too. The two small things I gotta get fixed with the car. But like I said here, I ain't had time to even dry the car and stuff like that. But been working a lot, so it's just been staying at the house, all pretty and stuff, trying to get ready. I'm gonna have it ready before April, so we can take it to some car shows and stuff like that. But y'all already know what it is, so man, let me go ahead and jump into it, show y'all what the package is, and hopefully it's the right thing, because the last few things I've been ordering ain't been what it's supposed to be. Had to send it back, reorder it, and then hell, when I gotta reorder something, I just take my time. So I need to go ahead and be consistent this year, go ahead and get everything situated. Still gotta order these springs and stuff like that. Really only gotta order one. This one pretty much good, but I'm gonna go ahead and do both of them. Go ahead. I like the way the car sit right now, so I ain't really finna put the rims on it right now. So I ain't really gotta do the back. I ain't trying to squat the back. It's already sitting pretty much where I want it to sit, but y'all know what it is. And I do gotta get the speakers and stuff done for the trunk, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all that. Gotta get my radio. Gotta get a lot of shit done, but y'all already know what it is. So let's go ahead and open this package and make sure it is the right thing. All right, so I'm gonna open the box up. Damn, this shit heavy. Alright. Hold on one second. Alright, so as y'all can tell, we got the new gearbox. Shit. This one's heavy though. Well, let me show y'all. Let me go ahead and open it up. Open the hood up, make sure it's the right thing, because I'm not for sure. I think it's supposed to sit like this anyway. I don't know. So let me open this hood up so y'all can see what it is. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Check it. I am not for sure, but that don't look the same size as this, but let me see. kinda does and kinda don't. So I'm not for sure. That's why I say, man, half of this stuff, because it don't look like it's matching up, man. Now that I look at it, shit, man. Every time I order something, man, the shit say it fit for it and it don't be what it's supposed to be. So, I don't know. But as y'all can see, how this gearbox look, like it got that little piece on the top. And where this hole supposed to end up fitting in at? Let me see. Oh shit. Oh, this thing so goddamn heavy, man. Hold on 1 second. I'll try to flip it around without dropping it, so y'all can see what I'm trying to see. Alright, so for this to stick up, how that one's supposed to stick up, I'm thinking this piece gotta be right here. But this is a flat piece, and that got a hole in it. So I'm not for sure what's going on here. But this shit, I feel like everything I'm ordering is bigger than what it's supposed to be. So either this ain't a goddamn 1983 Cutlass, or all the parts that I'm ordering ain't for what it's supposed to be. I don't know what this part is supposed to hook into. Might have to get up under to actually see what it is. Hell, I wonder, does a bigger gearbox mean it still could possibly work? But I ain't for sure, so I'm gonna go ahead and send this to him and get that checked out, because I'm not for sure. It didn't come with no other paperwork or nothing like that, so it might work, it might not. Because I think you're supposed to take, it's fucking 2 bolts. You're supposed to take this bolt off, and I want to say it's another bolt. But what you got to do is you got to go up under this tire and take those bolts off. So, see, it's another flat end on this side too, though. Let's get up under the car and see what it is first. Alright, so we almost can see it right there. That's a flat end. That's the piece on the bottom. And I need a new, I don't think I need a new pitman arm. That pitman arm look perfectly fine, so if I can, I ain't ordering that. But that's the gearbox that we gotta change out. But it don't look the same as what I ordered. But if so, man, we gonna see. Hell, if we can't fit it, we just gonna send it back. But, and I also got a question for y'all too. As y'all see, cause there go a number on it. Is that the part number 605? Let me see if I see that number on here. If that's it, then we alright. But it's definitely not matching up. God damn, this shit heavy. Whew. Hold on, man. Let me free up my hands right quick. I gotta pick this up with both hands. Damn. That at least 20 pounds for sure. Alright. Now, I did not see the markings that's on it. 0526. So let me see. Cause look. So this is what it's supposed to look like right here. Oh yeah, that's right. Yep, this is exactly how it's supposed to look right here. So, boom, the pitman arm goes on this side, that piece over there, and then I guess this is the new, yeah, that's right. But they got this sealed off. So, bang. Yeah, these two fittings go right here. All right, so let me show y'all that real quick. All right, take y'all off the stand one time. I know y'all probably like, God damn, what's going on? So, all right, so if you look at it from this way, this right here just looks different from that piece because that piece probably leaked so much, so they probably got that tightened down like that. This little flat piece box is that flat piece on that end, and the two fittings right here supposed to go in these two fitting holes right here. So we should be good on that, and the pitman arm goes right here. Instead of me ordering a new pitman arm, that pitman arm down there looked perfectly fine. So I'm gonna get that end up fixed, put back on. Should be good on that. Shouldn't have to order a pitman arm. If so, I'll just go ahead and order. So I think we good on here. Go ahead and get that put on, and should be back rolling. Gotta get the gasket fixed for the transmission. Get that put back on. Let me pull that out so y'all can see what that is. And y'all already know how we coming. Alright, so all this is just the gasket, the seal. Pull this out. Hopefully this right, because I don't order this. Yeah, he ordered it, so he know what it is. Let me take it out the plastic. Alright, cool. So y'all see what that is. Put that back in there like that. And then this gasket. Some people say go with the metal one. Some people say, what's the name? But it's the one we're going with for right now. If it leak again, but then I already leaked with the metal one, and if it leaked with this one, it's a different. So I don't know what's going on with that. But y'all understand where we're going. But the real question is, y'all ready for it? Because I'm ready to go ahead and get everything situated. Finna gotta figure out what's going on with this. My blower. Gotta get the heat and stuff back working. Finna go ahead and get these AC lines and stuff ran. As you can see, it ain't been ran yet. Go ahead and get these. I think somebody in the comments said I can get a Chevy Silverado lines, and I ain't really gotta do too much to it. Plug this up, send it back there, and we should be good to go with the AC. Gotta get the I'm gonna go ahead and get the another spark plugs. I guess the 90s where they don't necessarily turn, because on this side everything's fine, but on this side of the car I gotta get this this one fixed because it was rubbing, so I had to end up changing that for the time being. But I'm gonna go ahead and put brand new spark plugs on them, all of them, and I'll just get the 90s, the ceramic ones, and then this right here, I get that to stop leaking, and then that seal for the water pump. You're gonna end up coming over fixing that, and then we should be good to go on that. Like I told y'all, we getting everything together. Oh, and I gotta get the air filter. When he come over here that day, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the air filter. He's gonna end up cutting it. We don't know if we're gonna run it this way over here or run it back over there. So we'll see with that. And we also gonna change the oil, make sure the metal shavings in the oil and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do an oil change, air filter fix, the gearbox fix, and we also gonna do the transmission seal. But after that, should be good to go. And then we're gonna get the content and also fill up the radiator. Radiator is low, so I'm gonna buy all that fluid, and we shouldn't have no more problems for the time being. But like I say, man, y'all already know how this shit go with an old school car. And y'all go ahead. I got a question for y'all. Y'all let me know, is a frame off on an old school, is that cheating? Because the purpose of old school is to fix this mug every weekend, right? Or I'm just tripping. But you know, if your money is like that, I go ahead and swap everything out, you know, so you ain't got to do it again. But right now, I ain't in a position to spend no $200,000-$300,000 on no frame off, which I already know it probably don't cost that much unless you go into that screen. But a frame off on an old school right now, for me, ain't really in the budget. You feel me? But the point of the old school to me is to fix it up one part at a time so you know what you got. But if you got the money to do it all at one time and don't have the time to actually fix it all the time, you know, you just want to get it done, get it up out the way, you know, hey, that's what you got to do. So I feel like the frame up under my car is pretty good, so I'm not doing a frame off until I get my bread right. And plus, like I say, over the course of time, you can do what you want to do, because I still got to get my paint and stuff touched up, wheels and all that stuff, but I ain't got time to replace every bolt, all this extra stuff, you know what I'm saying? Paint this, paint the firewall and stuff back there, because you know, over the course of time, it's still gonna do what it's do. But we gonna see, man. But let me look up under my car and see if my floor pans and stuff messed up. But that's really why people do frame off, because they buy a lot of cars that's up north, so a lot of that stuff be rusting and stuff. So let me show y'all what we got, which y'all should already kind of seen anyway. My frame looks pretty good, new cross member and all that. Got my headers and all that stuff ran. But my frame looks pretty good. I don't know how it's showing up on the camera to y'all, but and like I said, we're gonna get all the old stuff right there changed anyway. But these, oh, that's pretty good. Ain't no rust up under there, so we good to go. You feel me? One thing about this, you gotta do what your pockets can allow you to do. So, like I say, for me, my pockets allow me to do my LS 60 4-way stroker swap, and that's what I did. You feel me? Some people say, "Hey, why you didn't do this? Why you ain't go supercharged? That ain't a true 4-way. That ain't this. That ain't that." Well, listen here. I did what I can do. Y'all do what y'all want to do with y'all car. And we just gonna go from there, man. Shit, like I said, with this video is just the update video. Let y'all know what's coming up. Gearbox finna get fixed. Cold air intake. Finna get the cold air, the filter. Finna get everything squared away. And then we'll be back to making some more videos, and hopefully I have some time. Like I say, like a day like this, work at night, get off in the morning, try to do a little stuff. And I ain't really had time for the car, but I'm trying to get it right for the summer. So appreciate y'all watching. I'll catch y'all next video. Peace.